give me love, oh, come give me love, oh, eh. My baby, come give me love, oh, come give me love, oh, eh. Oh yeah, come give me love, oh, come give me.
Hi guys, and welcome once again to my channel. It's a beautiful day right here. My name is Oluwayemisi if you're yet to meet me, and yes, some people call me Shante. So in today's video, I'm going to be creating for you guys this look that I have on right here using Nigerian brand PR products that have been sent to me over the past couple of weeks. Majorly in today's video, I'll be trying out products from a brand called Mood Beauty. They were nice enough to send me some of their palettes. I'm going to be using that in today's video. I also got some new things from Nigerian Cosmetics, their foundation and stuff like that. I'm trying that in today's video, and I also got like a setting spray from OA Cosmetics, which I'm going to be trying in today's video. So if you guys would like to see how we came about this look, let's get it going. So I've gone ahead to prime and color correct my face. I use the regular products that I normally use because I don't have new ones of those. So right now we're just going to go straight into the foundation. The foundation I'm going to be trying out today is by Nigerian Cosmetics. I think they have this new foundation. This is not what their old foundation looks like, but these are new and they sent me a couple of their shades. So I'm just going to be trying out this foundation today. I'm going to be mixing the shade 07 Bronze and 06 Mocha to get my perfect shade. So let's just go ahead to apply this. Okay, so I don't think I did a bad job in matching these two shades, and I think that the combination like matches my skin a lot more than if I had used one of the shades. The mocha was a little bit yellow and the bronze was a little bit red, so the combination of both of those shades gave me what I have on right now, and I think it's not bad. So I think this foundation has done a good job in further covering my scars and dark spots, and it has dried down to a reasonably matte formula on my skin. I don't have any new concealer, so I'm just going to go ahead to highlight and contour my face with my regular products. Proceed now to like blend off the contour with this brush, and then my concealer with a beauty sponge as usual. Contour is all blended now, and I'm going to proceed to set. Today I'm going to be setting my face with the RCMA No Color powder. This has by far become one of my favorite setting powders. So I'm just pushing this into my skin. I'm not baking, I'm only setting with it. My face all set. I'm going to go off camera to fix my brows, and I'll be back for the eye makeup look for today. Okay, so guys, my brows are done now, and I am closer to you guys because they're going straight into the eye makeup, and I want you guys to see what I'm going to be doing very clearly. In today's video, I'm going to be trying out this palette that I was sent from Mood Beauty. It's called the Bow Cap palette. This is what the palette looks like, and it has a bunch of vibrant colors in it. I'm not sure if you guys will be able to see these colors because the white plate inside is kind of reflecting, and the pigments of the colors are not really showing, but it's a very pretty palette. I'll try to see if I can take a picture with my phone and put it on the side of the screen so that you guys can see the exact colors that are in this palette. I like the packaging of this palette, and the PR package that they sent to me was really cute. I like when brands take out their time to package something really nice. And it was sent on Valentine's Day, so it had like the whole Valentine love thingy going on with it, and it was really nice. And then this diagrams that I have about 2 palettes from them. Let me find the other one, and both of them, this one is called the Arusha palette, and I like the whole picture thing that is going on with the palette, like this old African woman kind of thingy sketching that is going on. I really like it. It's cute and pretty, and that is how all their palette comes. So I'm going to be using the bowl cap palette in today's video, and let's just get right into creating the look that I have before I just keep on blabbing over how the package is and what's not. I'm going to start by using the Yanga Beauty eyeshadow primer. I'm going to be putting that all over my eyelid area and blending it out. I'm going to be blending this past my transition area, like almost to the bottom of my brows, because I want like the color pigment to like really show up there. Now this is where I get to put this palette to test. I'm going to be taking the yellow shade from this palette, this mustardy yellow color. It's called Beam. I'm going to be packing that on, and I'm using this flat brush to pack it on because I want like a lot of color all over my transition area. I'm going to see how pigmented this is by how it performs right here. I'm really hoping that the color comes out. I have a lot of faith in you, palette. Please don't disappoint me. And I'm just going to stamp this on all over that area. I don't know if you can see the color. Yellow hardly ever shows up on brown skin, so for this one I'm not mad at all. It's not bad, it's not showing up badly at all. And bear in mind that I packed on a lot of color, and I'm just stamping that on there as against blending it, because when you blend you tend to lose color, and the yellow might not have come out as pigmented if I use like a regular blending brush and I'm just like blending it. So that is why I'm using this method. I'm not exactly sure how this color is showing off on camera, but it's not exactly like an ashy yellow. It's like a mustard yellow color that I'm seeing in real life. I don't know what you guys are going to be seeing on camera. Okay, so now that I have this, I'm going to be going into the shade Rain Ha. It's a deep purple shade, and using this BH Cosmetics 104 brush. Is an angled blending brush. I'm going to dip it into that purple, and I'm going to focus this on my crease. This color is showing off good. It's not giving me no issues whatsoever, and I'm going to like pack this on my outer V area as well, or in my outer V area. So I kind of like had to change brushes, and I'm using a small blending brush. So I'm packing this in my outer V area as per usual, and just like defining my crease with that. I'm going to go back into the first yellow, and I'm just going to use that to blend out the edges of that purple, so you don't see those harsh lines no more. So this is what I have right now, just the yellow and the purple. I'm going to go on now to cut my crease. I'm going to be doing like a half cut crease. I'm going to go back into that purple and the brush that I used, and I'm going to be using that to blend out the end of this primer. Okay, so now that has been blended out, I'm going to go back into the first yellow that I used with a flat brush, and that is going to be my lead color today. I'm just stamping that on. I'm going to further go in with that purple and just blend out the ends of the yellow. And I'm taking the first brush that I used to blend out the ends of the purple. So this is what we have so far. It's a very simple eye makeup look. I used only 2 colors from the palette, and that was what I had in mind to do. I'm gonna leave this as it is now, fix my other eye, then we will be back to jazz it up a little bit more. And now I'm going to proceed to line my eyes with the Milani Eye Tech Extreme Liquid Eyeliner. Lashes today, I'm going to be using the Wispies lashes. Okay, so now the lashes are on. I'm going to be going into this purple liquid glitter from Eye Candy Cosmetics. I'm just going to be using the purple glitter to outline the cut crease so that it's not just bare. And I'm going to be putting it above my eyeliner too, just at the center. I'm not going to be going all the way. Okay, so just like this, I'm going to be doing the other eye. I'm going to be taking my Marble pencil in black, and I'm going to be outlining my waterline. And I'm just going to be smoking that with the purple that I used for my outer corner. I'm going to be using a little bit of mascara on my bottom lashes as well. To open up my inner corner, I'm going to be taking the shade Pamba, and I'm just going to be putting that in my inner corner. So that's it for the eyes right now. Moving on to the rest of the face, I'm going to be going over the whole of my face with the Maybelline Fit Me powder. To highlight my face, there's a Solita palette from Mood Beauty as well. So I'm just going to be highlighting my face with that palette right now. This highlighting palette is really soft. I don't have to like tap a lot. I'm just like dabbing my brush in it and it's just coming like right on my face. I like that, and I like the fact that it's not too harsh as well. So for blush, I'm going to be using the Zekel Cosmetics blush palette. Just going to be dabbing that purpley blush shade. So it's time to move over to my lips now that the face is done. For today, I'm going to be lining my lips with the Colourpop's lip pencil in the shade Mamacita. So I'm taking the lip liner a little bit outside of my lip line just to get like a very full lip effect. And for the center of my lips, I'm going to be using the Ewaron Care Lip Veil in the shade Punk. Seal up everything and set my face, I'm going to be using the OA Cosmetics Makeup Fixing Mist. This mist is infused with rose water, so it smells really nice. So here you have the finished look, guys. I'm feeling super lazy to do anything with my hair, and that explains the scarf that I have on right now. And this is the look that I came up with using Nigerian brand PR products that have been sent to me over the last few weeks. I hope you guys enjoyed watching me create this look and using these products. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up as usual. Subscribe down below if you're yet to join the gang. I'd appreciate if you also drop a comment for me down below telling me what you feel about this look, this video, if you enjoyed it, what you enjoyed most about it, what you like to see next, what you like for me to do better, what you think I'm doing right and stuff like that, so that I can just like get better at this thing. So once you have hit that subscribe button below, that'll be all that I have for you today. I guess I'll see you in my next video.